my name's Jill Seman. I am the owner and founder of Mom Maps. It's an iPhone application, a free iPhone application that finds kid-friendly places on the go. So it was developed by me to find my way around town with a kid in tow. I produced it and was introduced in June of 2009. So what the application does is it finds kid-friendly places. It's got a website that links dynamically to the app so that people can add and review spots. It also has some scripts and some back-end tools so that we can continually update the database so that we can find the most compelling locations. And we're also planning to do ports to the BlackBerry and the Android platform soon. My name's Jill Seman, and I have a background in systems and applications engineering, and I am also a parent who would love to have tools that help me when I'm on the go. So here's Mom Maps. It was the first of its kind when it was introduced last summer. Interactive website and iPhone application that finds kid-friendly spots on the go. It provides quick and easy access to parks, playgrounds, restaurants, and indoor play areas and kid-friendly museums. All kid spots are handpicked by parents for parents. So the content is organic. We include ratings, reviews, tips on where to go, and we do content features from travel bloggers and have a lot of contact information inside the app so that you can find more resources for where you're going. Here's what the app looks like. It does three things, basically. It displays kid-friendly locations by where you are. It also acts as a travel planner, so you can do searches on it and find places where you're going. And then it gives users an access to an incredible community of parents. We have travel experts like Family Travel Forum, one of the biggest websites that does family travel content. We've also got a lot of travel bloggers, and then, of course, the everyday mom and dad that goes and rates and reviews stuff and gives tips on various locations. It's a pretty simple app. It gives you a category view, and then it goes right to an embedded map where you can get a picture of the spot you're going, the address, and the basic contact information, including a URL. And then it also has reviews that give you a flavor for where you're going. Again, it's focused on a few different demographics. The first thing is that we focus on urban parents, parents on the go, the parents that need to find information at their fingertips, and have adopted iPhone technology pretty readily across the board. They're actually more on the cusp of the smartphone technology than many of the other demographics. Moms are using social media to connect, so the community element of this really plays into them finding the spots that they care the most about. And then lastly, it acts as a travel planner. Family travel is becoming big. Travel bloggers are looking for mobile platforms, so this is a great way to highlight other sources of information. Here's a technical overview, just real quick. It's a dynamically linked application, so it uses open data from various municipalities. It also connects to a website where others can contribute. There's over 24,000 locations, 22 metro areas, and we've got about over 3,000. I think it's 3,500 reviews from parents, bloggers, travel experts, even the weekend dad. We get handfuls of reviews every day. The way we get our content is we use municipal open data when we can. We used this from San Francisco, and now we're looking at other cities to gather open data on kid-friendly locations. We also use travel expert data when we can. A good example of that is Family Travel Forum. And then we have a bunch of family travel bloggers that contribute to the site, as well as mom and dads that go out and travel with the app. It's featured on Apple's site, and it's been featured on a lot of media articles, and it's been ranked in the top 50 in Apple's iTunes apps. I'll show you my demo in a minute. I want to make sure I have time for my presentation, but I'll give you a quick demo via video. So San Francisco Open Data. What we started out was we pulled from the San Francisco Parks database. This is a version of what it looks like right now. It shows the parks. It gives you, you know, an idea of where they are. And then we then took all this parks data and added to it the San Francisco Neighborhood Parks Council data, which is developed in partnership with the city. So this is another source of open data. And it gives full description of the parks and in some cases pictures of the parks. So this is what we did to formulate the basis of our app last year. The advantages to open city data is that the city has the information parents need to make our lives easier. So not only does it have parks and play spaces, you know, information about these things, but it also has, you know, which parks have tennis courts and basketball courts, which parks have water parks, which were big this summer, and beaches and all sorts of stuff like this. It also has information on libraries, which are key for little children because they have story time and things of that sort. And then it also includes emergency services. So all of this stuff can be found on the city level. And all of this information is crucial for parents. Apps can access and organize this data to help citizens better find resources. So I think app developers like us can help make the data more relevant to the citizenry and provide targeted data to those who need it. We can provide clean graphic interfaces, so if you provide us the raw data, we can make it accessible. And then we can also add tools to it. We can provide better search capability, and we can do location-based mapping and these sorts of things. And then we can also do something that makes the data more meaningful. We can give you on-the-ground information like tips, things to bring feedback from the citizens of the city. So apps like ours could actually form a basis for civic contribution. They could allow for free information data load, a link from the citizen to the city, provide easy and immediate feedback to the city. And I got